Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on this 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. Tools needed for the installation is a T25 Torx Bit with a screwdriver and a panel popper. Now let's get started. After you open your tailgate, first thing you want to do is release the tailgate latch. So just lift up on your tailgate a little bit and lift the clip on the tailgate latch and release. Next, we're going to remove two push pins. After that, remove two T25 screws. Next, carefully unseat your taillight. Here on the back, we're going to disconnect the harness. So just slide back the red clip to unlock it. Press on the tab and disconnect. Bring over your new Spyder taillight. Turn it to the back. You're going to plug your taillight in. Make sure it's secure. Slide the red clip to lock it. Then you're going to line up these two guide pins with the hole. Tuck your harness and carefully seat your taillight. Reinstall the two T25 screws. And put your tailgate latch back on. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the tailgate and test the taillight functions.